Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. New month, new subscription box to try. So I have some exciting news that goes along with this box, so let's get started. Alright, so we have a new subscription box here in the studio. This is called the So What box. This company actually reached out to me and asked me if I would review their boxes, and so they are sending me 3 months free. So this is the first box I haven't purchased, but I did make it very clear to them that I was going to give my opinion on what I thought was in the box. And I haven't opened them. I've got two sitting here, so you're going to see same shirt in two different reviews, but those are the details. So anyway, and hang out till the end of the video because I have some super exciting news from So What to share with you. All right, so it's a little box. It's much smaller than our quilt subscription boxes. Let's talk prices here before I open this up. And yeah, I took notes because there's so many of them now in my head. So for 1 month, it's $39.95 plus $4.99 for shipping. 3 months, it goes down to $37.99 a box. 6 months is $35.99 a box, but you get one free box for subscribing for 6 months. And then 12 months, it goes down to $33.99 a box, which is obviously your best deal. And again, they will give you your first box free. So month 1 and month 3, you're just getting what you pay for. 6 months and 12 months, you get a free box on your subscription. So they're being generous. I think that's very nice. It's a reasonable price. It's a little bit lower than our quilting boxes. So what makes the So What boxes different from ones I have been subscribing to is this is not a quilting box. This is a sewing box. So in the box is a project you sew bag, trivet, placemats. I mean, it's items that you would sew versus having quilt or quilting like things in there. I thought that was a very interesting concept, that it's not clothing, which would scare me. I know there are clothing pattern subscription boxes out there, but this one is sewing items. So I thought I would open it up, take a look inside, let you know what I think. And depending on the projects, because again, I haven't opened this, maybe I'll sew it up for you as well. So let's see what we've got here in our little box. All right, so let's see here. First we get a Hello Sewist letter. With the farmer's market season fast approaching, I was inspired to design a project that would be so cool to use this season. Okay, and I'm not going to talk about that. Just like our quilting subscription boxes, it's nicely packaged, has a little sticker. Are you ready for this? That's cute. Let's just open this up. I can already tell you I like the fabrics. All right. So first we have a fabric bundle. We picked these fabrics especially for you this month and we so hope they spark your creativity. Plus enjoy these bonus handmade project tags throughout the month. How do they work? Simply cut. Oh, so the ribbons. Oh, how cute are those? Okay. So how do they work? Simply cut the ribbon on the line in between the handmade images and sew in place. These awesome tags make a great addition to your sewing project. So this isn't even the project of the box. This is just an addition. But you can see here, see how it has the little thing, so you could cut it and you could just tack it down on your projects. They're all different. Let's see if I can get it better. And that's the ribbon they're using to tie up the bonus fabrics, which is like a succulent fabric and navy. So those are really pretty together. So out of the gate, we got 2 fat quarters, it looks like, some ribbon tags, which are cool. Now we have a sewing gauge. I actually have one of these. I've bent the crap out of it. I don't know how I did that. But see here, sewing gauge, sliding marker to move and stay in place for repeated marking. Used to measure and mark hems, seam allowances, buttonhole spacing, tucks and pleats, or to draw out scallops and circles. Cool. So a very traditional sewing tool. And here is this month's project. I can't get it out of the box. There we go. Oh, whoops. Let's do like a baker. Pull it out with a tissue paper. There we go. All right, so they did explain to me this on the phone. So the little plastic package contains the kit and the project that they're giving you in the box. This other stuff, this is your notion. You usually get a notion or whatever tools you need to make the project. And then this is bonus stuff. So this is a reusable produce pouch, or produce bags. One large measuring about 8 by 13 inches and one medium 4.5 by 13. They sent us the pre-cut cotton and chiffon fabrics, the pre-cut drawstrings, a video and written instructions, thread, pins, needles, and a downloadable pattern. You'll need a sewing machine, iron, scissors, ruler, paper clip, or a drawstring threader. So let's take it out of the shiny package. So there's the picture. Prep time 5 minutes, creation time 45 minutes. So again, these are fast and easy fun projects, which I don't know about you, but I end up having like 5,000 little projects going on, so something quick and easy would be nice. So they weren't kidding. There's our straight pins. Here's our drawstring cords. Here is Gutermann thread, polyester thread, which if you're doing items, not quilts, polyester is stronger, so it's a good thread to use. Oh, look, it's all pre-cut for us already. So there's a circle. Let's lay these out here. So far, this has been, oh, okay, so this is the organza panels, which you need to make your bag breathable. So there's those, and then these are your cotton panels. So it goes cotton, organza, cotton. I'm assuming these go together. Yes, so this must be for the one bag. And then this is the bigger bag. Oh, this is very cool. Very, very cool. A much bigger bag. And there is the side. So this is fatter, but a little, nope, same height. And there's the organza for that. All right, so that is what we've got to make. We've got a large and a small reusable produce bag. So I am going to do this, you need to view the tutorial. So I will go do that. Let's see here. They do give you some basic instructions back here, but I will go watch the tutorial video to see how that is. And then it says tailor's tip. In step 3, we instruct you to roll the edge of the fabrics over themselves and top stitch in place. To make this easier, use a warm iron to fold the creases as you go. This will hold the fabric in place without pins. So they give you some tips there. I'm trying to see where we would use this. So we do have to roll over our edges, so you could use that to mark. I'm so used to using a ruler, but you could use that to mark. So I'm going to go check out the video, and I may just go ahead and sew one of these off camera just so I know what I'm doing, and I'll be back to let you know how that goes. So off to the sewing machine. All right, so we're back. Obviously it's been a couple of days because I've changed my clothes, got my hair cut, but anyway. I went off and I sewed up the reusable produce bags, which look like this. This is the little one. I mean, they're good size. You could put some produce in there for sure. There's the organza and the cotton panels, so it's a nice long one. And then there's the big guy who looks like this. He's shorter and squatter, but you could definitely put some like bananas in there or something. Their picture shows oops. Their picture shows pasta, and I think there's like some sort of beans back there. But they were fun to sew up. The one thing is, because this is my first box, I'm not sure if it's because these are produce bags, therefore they need to be breathable. I did feel like the white was a little bit on the thinner side, but the directions worked well. I got them sewn together. I did not have access to the video or the free pattern, mainly because they have sent me this box for free, so I didn't go online and set up an account and subscribe, because once you do that, then you have access to their back end where all this stuff parks. So even without watching the video and even without downloading the pattern, I was able to stitch these up no problem. I do want to comment, like, I used my own sewing notions, but there is even a sewing needle in here, a sewing machine needle in here. So they really do give you absolutely everything to sew this up. And I didn't use, obviously I didn't use these fabrics either. So overall, I do like these boxes. It is a complete project plus some bonus stuff. And the overall cost of the box is $39.99 plus $4.95 for shipping. That's if you only do 1 month. If you do the different tiers, they get cheaper and cheaper. And then if you do the 6-month and 12-month, you even get an extra box thrown in. So the value of this box is really nice when you compare to the other ones we've looked at that have been $50 plus plus shipping. Now there are some different things about it. One, the other boxes were giving us quilt projects or bigger projects, so the fabric involved in it was a lot more, and it's a different target, where these are all small projects, which I find kind of cool. Like I mentioned before, the pattern you can go download the pattern. It'll have the templates, so you can make more and more of these projects yourself. So there is a lot of reusability to these, where usually you make a quilt and you don't make the same quilt over and over. You might, but most people don't. Where here, some of these small projects, you could make them over and over as gift ideas. So there's also this value for the reusability. Now on the only drawback that I can see is just looking even at the fat quarters they sent us. This is not, I don't believe, like quilt shop cotton. It looks like it's a little on the thinner side. I could be wrong. There's no salvage on here to tell me what it is. This one obviously just feels like a nice solid, which I'm getting into sashiko, so this is a perfect one for me to use for that. Total side story. So I'm not sure if you're getting like Moda fabric or Riley Blake fabric or higher end fabric, but again, you're not paying the higher end price either. So that is our first box. Now, the exciting news is, because they sent me these to review, they want to give a box out to you guys, 1 box for 1 lucky viewer for free. All of the ways to enter are below, and I'll also be posting this on my Instagram and Facebook, so you can enter there, as well as So What will be putting it on their stuff as well. If you want to go check that out, you can enter more and more. But each month that we're doing a review, we'll be giving away 1 box to a lucky viewer. So make sure you check out the links below for how to enter for that. Check us out next month when we come back with box number 2. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the So What small project boxes, and if you may want to go and subscribe for this. And before I forget to mention it, I do have an affiliate code down below. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, I would greatly appreciate if you use the code. It does give me a little bit back. Now again, my opinions in this video are mine, and I told you the pluses and negatives just like I always do, so I hope you've enjoyed that part of it. And like I said, if you subscribe, use that code, and that just gives me a little credit so that they know that I've talked you into buying a box, basically. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Happy sewing.